Good morning, folks. Today is the 22nd of February. Uh, it's an early start for me today. It's currently 5:50, and today is a very special day in my 1 year of working at CAFFE NERO. Today I'm participating in the annual Barista of the Year competition. But before we get to that, let's work. Let's do a shift, 6-hour shift, and then we head home, rest for a bit, and then we head to a town called Banbury in Oxford, where I will be going against baristas from other Cafe Neros in Oxford and around the area, and let's just have a nice and fun day.
Oh.
Yeah, he's early.
Morning.
Bob is early.
Oh, yeah. Excited.
Can't wait. Awkward.
Yeah. Good morning.
I've barely slept.
Yeah.
4 hours. Less
Not
than
good.
4 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. Not even yesterday, not even coffees.
We might have to emergency use the sofa.
Yeah,
You.
kick the customers out and then use the sofa.
Yeah. We close. This area is closed. The resting channel.
For the resting future champion, to be champion. No guys, you're not getting coffee. So we have a theme for the Barista of the Year, and we have decided to wear a kurta. If you're not Indian and you don't know what's kurta, it's basically he has it for us. The good stuff, the made in India
yeah.
stuff.
Oh yeah. Authentic. We'll try it on.
All the stores were given themes, and we chose to have Indian classical as our theme. Did you try it on?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
Fits, like you said.
Yeah. Just enough. Do you try the?
Not yet.
No.
I opened one. It's nice.
Yeah.
Good.
And then it's just the 4 of us today, colleagues. 4 of us colleagues, and then probably a few other people from other stores. Let's see. But first things first, let's get to work. Let's make some coffees before we get judged for making coffees. By the way, last year it was Robert who was the participant from our store, the belated competitor. But
So like I said, don't argue with the judges this time.
yeah, did you argue? No.
About the timing of the espresso.
Ah, okay. Let's bake some.
That's breakfast.
Breakfast time. Not all. We missed the very train because of the traffic in Oxford. Now I'm late. These guys are on time. Why? Why is it your train? Train is a train. अभी यहाँ पे चाय गरम.
पी भी लेते यार क्या बताऊं.
The weather is good for that though.
Cheers and big credit. They've only been with Nero for 3 months, but they're stepping up tonight to take the challenge. Representing the one and only Headington, it's Stan! A journeyman of his craft, illuminating us on his CAFFE NERO journeys near and far, with his glamour of his international fame. Of Barista of the Year, the Espresso Professor, Warad! Ladies and gentlemen, get ready.
दारू पी लो कंपटीशन से पहले. हमारा कंटेस्टेंट खुद को हाइप अप करता हुआ बिफोर द कंपटीशन. Are you hyping yourself?
No, I'm calming myself.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Like distracting yourself.
Basically.
Yeah, you're going to be fine. Don't worry. Photographer?
Yeah, it's all about
Flush that. See, the spirit has come. I speak house OGG.
Oh my goodness.
Taking us into the region.
Rosti sauce.
Yes. Oh.
Might do some.
It's going in the vlog. It's going in the vlog. Hi Amir, announcement will come. This guy is. You don't want to work with Emma Watson, do you?
Lizzie, come this side. Sing again. There you go.
And we are back in Oxford. It was a good day, good event. Cheers to CAFFE NERO.
It was a really nice evening. Very lively, very happy. बहुत मजा आया. बहुत दिनों के बाद.
Unfortunately, I didn't win, but I made it to the final.
You
which
made
is
it to the finals. It was your first time participation, which is a really big thing. So, yeah,
But
just be.
yeah, like I said before, I went.
बस आ गए.
कोई नहीं, रुक जाएगी.
दौड़ के रुकाओ. चलो.
Anyway, signing off. Bye.
क्या कुछ बोला मैंने?